Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, on this GBP USD, as you can see, this is literally the resistance level where market broke out from. So, we can see that there was a first rejection that dropped, then a second rejection happened, which make it drop. But guess what? Another one, when it came here, we had a pullback, and now market has literally broken out of it. So what market is currently doing is a pullback. So once this pullback is over, then we would expect another move to the upside. So GBP USD is currently giving us a pullback anytime soon. The movement to the upside will continue. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So we can sit here. We can sit here. Let's start from here. This is the higher highs. Then an higher lows literally played out from here. Then this here is the new higher highs. Currently, an higher lows is playing out. So once this higher lows plays out, finish, then we will continue the movement to the upside. A new higher highs will be formed. So expect the pullback to be over. Once the pullback over, then you will look for the good setup to go long on GBP JPY.